In 2021, Rihanna, a world-famous singer from the USA, made a tweet. She shared a news story about farmers protesting in India. Many farmers were not happy with some new farm laws, and they were asking the government to change them. Rihanna's tweet asked, "Why aren't we talking about this?" After that tweet, many people in India got angry. Some thought she didn't understand the full story. A few Indian celebrities and business people didn't like outsiders talking about Indian problems. Mukesh Ambani is a very rich and powerful businessman in India. Some people online joked that he was angry with Rihanna because her tweet brought bad attention to India and maybe to companies like his, Reliance. But there is no proof that Ambani ever did anything against Rihanna. Later, in 2023, Rihanna came to India to perform at Ambani's son's wedding pre-party. People on the internet made funny memes saying Ambani took revenge by making Rihanna perform for him. They joked that he paid her millions to sing at his party as if to show his power. But again, this is just internet jokes and memes. There was no real revenge. In fact, Rihanna seemed happy at the party and performed with joy.